Hi everyone, I thought I would create this quick video just to let those of you who are interested in creating your own URL name to be able to do that and connect it to your HempWorks websites or blogs or anything else that you guys do and want to connect together to one landing page is what it's called. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen with you. My computer's a mess, don't judge it, okay? Let's get it shared. Okay, so you should be able to see my screen now. So all I'm going to do is the first thing you're going to have to do is you're going to have to create you're going to have to think of your name. So the best way to go about it is to kind of think about the things that you want your business to be about. So I thought about for myself, I like a lot of like natural wellness, different things like that. I was kind of toying with some different names you could always do, CBD by Shanna or whatever your name is, or you can create something completely unique and different. I just created mine today and it is called hemphealthymom.com. And so the way that you start is the best way is to go into Google and then you're just going to type in cheap domain names. And we're going to use GoDaddy, but the reason that we do this is because if you've never created one before, I'm going to make my screen big. You can see right here that it says 99-cent domain names, right? When you just go to GoDaddy by itself, let's see if it brings me there. Of course, I click on the wrong one. Hold on a second. There we go. GoDaddy.com. So you want to find the one that says GoDaddy and it has 99-cent names, okay? If you just go to GoDaddy, my computer has lots of pop-ups. Okay, I need to get that fixed. But it will bring up this 99-cent URL and it's cheaper. It's normally like $14, $11. There are some that are way more expensive. I thought of a lot of creative ones that get a lot of hits on Google, and those ones can be more, but there's plenty that you can find, especially if you use your own name, that will end up being 99 cents. So then right here, you kind of want to type in whatever it is that you're thinking of, okay? So I'm going to do CBD by Shanna. I already have mine, but just so you guys can kind of see. So you're going to click search. And it's either going to tell you, look, it's available, or it's not, it's taken, find something else. So if it's available, you're going to see that cbdbyshanna.com, you want the .com, is 99 cents. Then you can add it to your cart. Okay. Then you're going to continue to cart. And then I chose the privacy protection. I don't know a lot about this. It's only $7.99 for the first year and then $10 for a year after that. But basically what it does is when you buy a URL, it puts information on there like your address and your phone number and stuff like that, because it's required that you have a real address and phone number. So probably to protect from like spamming and things like that. But if you pay for the privacy protection, it puts in GoDaddy's information instead of yours, so it's not public, okay? So you're going to continue on. You can say no thanks to everything else. I create an email that matches it, but I just use Google, so it's free. So I say no thanks to everything else. I continue on with these options. And then there's all of these ads, and of course my stuff has always pop up, but I just say no to everything else. Okay, so you want the .com domain registration. I have already, it's going to see it's changing mine to the $14.99 a year because I already have an account. But it will go on and just, you'll be able to check out, just get rid of all of these other, see, I have a bunch of domains on here, that's why. So I can get rid of all this stuff. But when you check out, it'll just have your dollar URL and then it will also have the protection if you added that on there for whatever it was, the $7.99. So then you're gonna I'm gonna go actually into mine so that you guys can see what it looks like. Oops, gosh, this thing. Okay, so I am, I'm trying to think. Hemp Healthy Mom. I just want you guys to be able to see what it looks like once you're all done. Okay, so then you're going to have this page, right? And I'm trying to get to it. Oh my gosh. Okay. So you can click on Manage DNS. And then there will be a button that says forwarding, okay? You're gonna leave it blank right now, but basically what you're gonna do is instead of building this whole separate website, we're gonna use something called Linktree that's gonna connect this domain that you just bought with your name on it to the HempWorks websites that you already have that they gave you for free, okay? So now that you get to this spot, you're gonna keep your page there and then you're gonna go, and there's a couple different steps that you're gonna have to do, okay? You are going to need to go to Linktree. I just Googled it, Linkttree, okay? And then it will bring you, click on it, I suppose I should do that. It'll bring you here, okay? You're gonna need to sign up for free. And in order to do that, you are gonna need an Instagram account. So you're gonna need to create, either use your Instagram account that you already have, which is what I did here because I'm not gonna have a separate Instagram, at least right now, for the CBD. And Instagram also didn't like the word hemp for some reason. It kept kicking me out. So I just used the other Instagram account that I had, but you do need an Instagram account to connect it with. It's not gonna like post stuff on there, but it does upload your picture and it is owned apparently by it or something because it is connected. But I'm gonna log in so you can see what it looks like. So you need to, after you create your URL, you need to go make sure that you create an Instagram account, or you can use the one that you already have. And the other thing that you may wanna do, what I did, is also create a separate email account for all of my business stuff. So I did hemphealthymom@gmail.com, and I had my Instagram account, my email account, all created after I did my URL, of course, because you want it all to match. The Simply Polished thing is how I began this one, and you don't have to look at that. But okay, so then you get a page that's like this, right? And this is kind of this little phone over on the right-hand side, if you can see. This is kind of a sample of what your landing page is going to look like. So people will type in the URL that you just bought. Mine is hemphealthymom.com. And then it will bring them to a page that looks like this cell phone. This is kind of a sample of what it looks like. So if you click on my cell phone, or my little, sample over here, it says, take a HempWorks business tour. And I put in my link directly from my HempWorks website that it gives you. And then shop HempWorks CBD products. And then I put in that link right there. I'm going to show you how to do that. And this last one is just from my old business. I still have my Color Street stuff on there, which eventually will probably go, but right now it's still there. So you'll have a blank page like this is basically what it's going to look like. And you're going to add a new button or link. Okay. I'm going to add it on the mine just so that you can see. Right here where it says title, that is where you create these little things. So you could say, shop works. Okay, I already did this, but I'm just doing this so that you can see. And then right here, you can copy and paste or type in your URL. So for your shopping address, it will be hempworks.com / whatever your username is, right? Once you add that on there, it's going to create another button on your phone. Okay, I'm going to delete that one because I don't want to add that to my page. But then this is a live preview of what it'll look like. So, oh, I should have shown you this right here. So here is your link too, okay? So you can copy this and paste it. Take this. This is your link to your new landing page that looks like this. So you will copy this link when you're all done creating your little shortcuts over here. And then you're gonna go back here to your web page. Oh, did I get rid of my web page? No, I didn't. Okay. And then when you can see mine is right here. You just click the edit button and you paste it in here, paste your domain right here. And that way, instead of typing in this weird name that I had created a long time ago on my link tree, anytime that anyone types in my page that I bought, hemphealthymom.com, it should take them to my landing page. So I don't have to create a website. It's very simple. It looks really nice and clean, especially on a cell phone, which is what most people use, or a tablet or whatever. And then you can see, the thing that I like about this is that, of course, the people that are going to shop will just see the shop Hempworks CBD products, right? And they'll be able to go and they'll be able to shop just like they always do. But say someone is curious and they just haven't asked you about it, and it says take a Hempworks business tour. I feel like it opens up the door. It's not spammy or anything like that, but it opens up the door for them to be able to click on it, pull up your link, and maybe get curious and put their information in there and take the business tour as well. So it's pretty simple. I know it's a little complicated for those of you that are not used to, creating URL, but it is relatively simple. Let's see if I can go back to, let's see if I can go back and get rid of my, of course, I can't get rid of my screen share. Here we go. Stop share. Okay, I want to get rid of the screen share so that I could see what I was doing. So again, you need to go Google cheap domain names and then click on the one that says GoDaddy, and it will give you a 99-cent coupon code for a domain name. So there you need to search through some of the names that you think would work. Purchase your website, purchase the protection if you don't want your name listed. So it'll be like $10 or something like that for the whole entire year. And then once you have that, you can create an email address from Gmail or whatever email company that you would like. And then you can also create an Instagram if you don't want to use your personal Instagram. And then go to Linktree, create an account, attach your Instagram, copy your link from there, and post it in the forwarding section of your URL page. Sounds a little complicated, but it's super simple, and it makes just for a streamlined way for you to have your own brand and your own name. So you can use that website. It's a lot easier sometimes than remembering, hempworks.com / whatever your username is. You could just say, hemphealthymom.com. That's my website, or put that on your car or whatever. So if you guys have any questions about that, please feel free to ask. But I hope that this gives you a little bit of guidance and a little bit of your questions answered for how to create a URL and attach it to Linktree. All right, you guys, have a fantastic day.